Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to draw Charlie Morningstar from Hazbin Hotel. First, let's establish the basic structure. Start with a circle for her head and add a cross for facial guidelines. Then, sketch a pear shape for her torso, connecting it to the head with a neck. Use simple lines and circles to block out her arms and legs, paying attention to her elegant proportions. Remember, her overall height is roughly 7 to 8 head lengths. Now, let's bring Charlie's face to life. Place her large, expressive eyes along the horizontal guideline, giving them a friendly, optimistic look. Add her small, upturned nose and her signature wide, cheerful smile. Next, sketch her flowing blonde hair, ensuring it frames her face beautifully. Don't forget her small, pointed demon horns, which sit just above her hairline, adding to her unique charm. Moving on to her iconic outfit, let's sketch Charlie's red tuxedo jacket, complete with its sharp black lapel. Underneath, draw her crisp white shirt and her neat black bow tie. Continue by outlining her fitted black pants and her elegant black dress shoes. Finally, add her signature black gloves and the small, delicate crown that rests gracefully on her head, completing her royal appearance. To finish your drawing, carefully ink all your lines, refining the sketch for a clean, professional look. Once the ink is completely dry, gently erase all your initial pencil guidelines. For coloring, use a vibrant yellow for her hair and a pale, warm skin tone. Apply a bright, cheerful red for her tuxedo jacket and black for her pants, bow tie, and gloves, bringing Charlie Morningstar to life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.